Event CAD is a 2D, 3D virtual layout software which allows you to show a realistic drawing of your event. Here are a few of the things you can achieve to give your event that little bit extra to help you stand out from the competition. I'm going to start by adding a marquee. You can see here that we have various different sizes by default, and you can also create your own if you have any bespoke structures. Set the length and add it to your drawing. So now we have our base to work from. This can also work for rooms, exhibition stands, catering areas, or even open air events. We also have 2D teepees and capris. I'm going to add tables and chairs to my layout, so I can space these out however I like and also arrange them in different ways. Next, I'm going to add a stage and a dance floor. Both of these are done in a similar way. You essentially add a box but set the different dimensions of width, length and height to suit. We also have a wide range of objects to choose from to add to your drawing. I'm going to add a lounge area here and maybe a trestle table for my buffet. I can also show my doors and windows in 2D. So I'm going to place my door here and add a few windows around the marquee. From a 2D perspective, my marquee is looking good. I can choose the option to 2D render so that I stay in that 2D view, but I can see more colour, so I get a better visualisation. I can also switch to a 3D view. So I'm going to add my 3D windows and doors here. And you can see as I add them that the lining walls are in the way. So what I'm going to do is just change these into curtains. Inside my marquee is looking a little white. So I'm going to add some colour here and add materials to my objects to make them look more realistic. So for example, my dance floor, I'm going to set that to black and white. And then for my staging area, I'm going to set that to wooden. We do have a large variety of materials and colours, but you can also create your own by taking a picture and importing it into the software. If I want to get a few different angles of my marquee, I can zoom in and out, go up and down, or rotate. You can also add a background image. So for example, if you go on site and take a picture, I already added one of these at the start, so I'm going to show it now and reposition my marquee accordingly. When I'm happy with the view, I can take a picture of it and save. You can then send this to the customer, but we also have a more professional format where you can include multiple images. So that's what I'm going to do now. If I go back into my 2D, I'm going to take a picture of this too. So I have my two pictures. I then go into the print and I can see here a document style layout where I can add those pictures that we took previously. I can resize them and add in any customer details at this point. Once I finish this, I can export it to a PDF or email it directly to the customer. Thank you for watching. If you'd like more information, please call 0117 956 4571 or email us at info@tssweb.net.